Hello there, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have no idea if this video quality is any good. Somebody let me know in the comment section below, please, for the love of God, please, please, please. But I had to react to this based on nothing more than the headline. I thought we had a high, minimum wage here in Washington State at $15 an hour. No, no queen, no king, no. We are 10 cent we are losers. We aren't even at the level of the real highest ones. Geneva, that's in Switzerland, for those that may not know that. Geneva, Switzerland has voted for a $25, I'll repeat it, a $25 minimum wage. Now, we all know what problems that's going to cause should it pass. Food's going to go up. Your McDonald's Happy Meal is not going to be so happy because it's got to go up to give the kids who are working at McDonald's, noble profession, by the way. I love your food. Please sponsor me. Noble profession, but it raises it. It's going to make it go up because you're going to have to balance the sheet. Now, let's find out from the article. I haven't even read the article yet, so we're going to react to it instantaneously. So let's find out if they actually voted and passed the $25 thing. I really need to plan these. So let's see. Residents of Geneva, Switzerland, voted this week to make the new minimum wage at $25. Hold on, I got to read. It, it is believed to be the highest in the world. Yes, it probably is. But 58% of people voted. So 58% of people voted to set it to 23 francs or $25 an hour. And this is in the state of Org. What is it called? More than half, 58%. And the Canton or state of Geneva. The $25 an hour. That's pretty insane. It looks like it passed. It passed, boy. It passed. It's gonna take effect November 1st, and it's gonna affect probably 6% of the of the workforce. That is absolutely bonkers to me. That I'm all for, a fair wage for some work. But if minimum wage is set to $25 an hour, then that means higher wages have to be set to $25 an hour. Have to be above $25 an hour. That is nuts. Let me know your thoughts. Oh, it's the fourth of their cantons, or probably that's states, to vote on a minimum wage increase in Switzerland. So the Swiss are really really just pushing it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, please. I would be very much interested.